Hello students, how are you? Welcome in business studies class. And in this class, we studied chapter number 6 staffing. And in last two videos, you studied about the importance of staffing and features of staffing. And today we will discuss a new topic of staffing, that is staffing process. So that staffing is a lengthy process, long process. So in staffing process, various task has been completed to choose the appropriate person on the appropriate job. सही जॉब के लिए सही पर्सन को चूज करने के लिए स्टाफिंग की प्रोसेस में वेरियस स्टेप्स आर टेकन एंड दैट स्टेप्स आर वेरी typical and complicated, which are done by the top level managers efficiently and effectively. So let's start our staffing process. In staffing process, first step of staffing process is estimating the manpower requirement. In the staffing process, first step have been done, that planning how many numbers of employees are required and what type of employees required. Here what type means what are the educational qualification of the employee, what are the skill, what are the prior experience, personality characteristics are also decided in the first step. And in this first step, when top level manager estimate the manpower requirement, he think about two main questions. Number one, workload analysis. In workload analysis, they find out the assessment of number of employees and types of human resources they needed to complete the organizational objective. And second thing they analysis, that are the workforce analysis. Workforce analysis means assessment of number of employees and type of numbers are resources are available in the ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वर्कफोर्स के अंदर जो है कितने एम्प्लॉयज हमारे यहाँ अवेलेबल हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर, और वर्कलोड में हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज दे नीड. सो these are the estimating manpower requirement. And second step is recruitment. Recruitment, it is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization. रिक्रूटमेंट के अंदर क्या किया जाता है, जो प्रोस्पेक्टिव एम्प्लॉयज हैं उनको फाइंड आउट करने का, ढूंढने का काम किया जाता है. सो ये स्टिमुलेटिंग देम टू अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब, ये जो वर्क है दैट कैन बी डन बाय द इंटरनल सोर्सेज एंड एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज. Internal sources are that sources which are available in the organization, and external sources which are not available in the organization. That means take the help of TV for advertisement, take the help of internet, and any other method can be used to find out the employees or prospective employees. And you always remember that recruitment is a positive process. In positive process, that means in this process attract the people, attract the suitable applicants to apply the for available job in the organization. And in this process there is no rejection in this process. So that's why it is a positive process. Next is selection process. Next step is selection. In this selection step, it is a process of choosing and appointing the right person for the various job. रिक्रूटमेंट में जिन भी एप्लीकेंट्स ने अप्लाई किया होता है उनमें से कुछ एम्प्लॉयज को चूज करना और उनको राइट पर्सन को वेरियस राइट जॉब पर जो है अपॉइंटमेंट करना, दैट इज द सिलेक्शन स्टेप. और सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस इज अ नेगेटिव प्रोसेस बिकॉज in the applied candidates we reject some employees, reject some applicants, and some are selected. So that's why selection is a negative process. And next step is placement and orientation. Placement means refer to employees occupying the position or post for which she has been selected. So placement का मीनिंग क्या होता है? एम्प्लॉय को उस पोजीशन और पोस्ट को ऑक्युपाई कराना विच जिसके लिए उसको सेलेक्ट किया गया है. एंड ओरिएंटेशन मीन्स इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द सेलेक्टेड, जो भी सिलेक्टेड एम्प्लॉय है उनको अदर एम्प्लॉय से फेमिलराइज कराना, इंट्रोड्यूस कराना और उनको रूल्स पॉलिसीज ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से फेमिलराइज कराना. So familiarize selected candidate with their work unit, उनको work unit से familiarize कराना, work group से कराना, job and organization and placing the right one on the right job. Next step is training and development. Training and development both are differ. So first of all, training intended to improve knowledge, skill and attitude of the employees regularly so as to enable them to perform better. तो select training की process, aptitude, skill and abilities or employees to perform specific jobs are increased. ट्रेनिंग के द्वारा उनके एटीट्यूड में इम्प्रूवमेंट की जाती है, नॉलेज में इम्प्रूवमेंट की जाती है, स्किल, एटीट्यूड, इन सबको, ताकि वो अपनी जॉब को बेटर परफॉर्म कर सकें. एंड डेवलपमेंट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? जो लर्निंग, उनकी लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज को डिजाइन टू एम्प्लॉयज ग्रो, उनकी लर्निंग जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं उनको ग्रो करना. इट मीन्स ग्रोथ ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल इन ऑल respects, that is development. Next is performance appraisal. Performance appraisal means check the assessment of performance of the employees. Employees की performance को periodic time, within 1 month, within 1 week, within 15 days, that is the periodic assessment of the performance of the employees can be checked to ensure that whether they are in the conformity with standards, वो अपने standards के according काम कर रहे हैं या नहीं. और evaluation में उनकी work performance को check किया जाता है कि they are doing outstanding work, excellent, very good, average and below average. That are called performance appraisal. Next step is promotion. Promotion means movement of an employee to a higher position. एम्प्लॉय को हायर पोजीशन पर मूवमेंट करा देना. इट गिव द एम्प्लॉयज टू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक यूज देयर इनहेंस स्किल. ये प्रमोशन जो है एम्प्लॉय को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है कि वो अपने स्किल को इनहेंस करें और उनको इनकरेज किया जाता है कि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की ग्रो के साथ साथ अपने आप को भी ग्रो करें. दैट आर कॉल्ड प्रमोशन. नेक्स्ट इज कंपनसेशन. Eighth step of the staffing process is compensation, and compensation, it involves the determination of wages or salary and other benefits to the employees on the basis of nature of job, risk factors, responsibility, qualification, experience, etc. उनकी जॉब नेचर और रिस्क फैक्टर, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग एम्प्लॉयज की वेजेस और सैलरी और अदर बेनिफिट्स, नॉन मॉनेटरी इंसेंटिव, नॉन मॉनेटरी इंसेंटिव, इन सबको डिसाइड करना ही क्या कहलाता है? कंपनसेशन कहलाता है. सो these all are the step followed in staffing process. Number 1, manpower requirement. Second is recruitment. Third is selection. These steps are done one by one. So next is placement and orientation, training and development, performance appraisal, promotion, and last, compensation. So I hope you understand this concept step involved in staffing process. You revise this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.